Welcome to this IOL tool tutorial featuring the assessment report demo. In this video, we will provide an in-depth look into the IOL tool assessment report through the eyes of an individual leader. We will highlight the most important features and information to assist in your leadership development. Let's get started. When you first open your assessment report, take note the date your report was generated. This date should coincide with the completion of your assessment. Next, you will see your name under the Prepared For section. We recommend taking time to read and reflect on the content of your report, but to also share it with your team and include them in your leadership development. As we proceed to the next page, you will find an executive summary that briefly outlines the content of your report. Take note of the objective and goals sections as they describe the purpose of the IOL tool assessment. Moving on down the page, you will get a glance at your results. Your IOL score for this assessment was 6.51. You will learn more about the meaning behind this number further down the report. The assessment report then identifies your leadership strength and improvement area, which in this case was challenge and teamwork respectively. At the bottom of the executive summary, you will find a summary of some of the development strategies described at length towards the end of your report. It is now time to move on to the results page. On this page, you will find a graphic representation of your results. You receive a score for each of the 8 IOL competencies located here. Next to that number, you will find the standard deviation. This number tells you how similarly your team members responded to the statements. As you go through your results, take time and reflect on each competency. At the bottom of the graph, you will find a scale that indicates the level of development needed for each interval. This number here shows your overall IOL score, which is an average of all of the 8 IOL competencies. At the bottom of this page, you will find a comparison section that shows your IOL score in relation to your company as a whole. On the next page of the report, you will find an interpretation section that assists you in reading the results. It walks you through the meaning of the standard deviation numbers and provides a description of the 8 IOL leadership competencies. As you move along the report, you are given a more in-depth look into the company comparison feature that also allows you to track improvement over time when you've completed multiple assessments. On this page, you will also find a section identifying your strength and your improvement area. IOL Tool believes that it is important to focus your development efforts on one area at a time. Therefore, we present you with strategies to maintain your leadership strength and to develop your leadership improvement area. That brings us to the next section of the report, which is dedicated to your development strategies. These are exclusively based on the assessment results and can be customized to fit your specific leadership needs. That concludes our presentation of the IOL Tool Assessment Report. Thank you for viewing this IOL Tool Tutorial Assessment Report demo. We hope you found this helpful. Please view our other tutorials for further help and information.